This section is on lines, and the most important form for a line is the slope-intercept form. And that is y is equal to mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Now the slope measures the steepness of a line, and the y-intercept is where the graph crosses the y-axis. In this box, you'll also see some help for our calculator. To do subtraction, you want to use the subtraction key above the addition key. For a negative sign, you want to use the negative key next to the decimal place. So it's easy to get these two keys mixed up. And then we will be graphing lines using the calculator. So to do this, we have to use the y equals button, the zoom button, and the graph button. On question number 1, we are graphing 3 over 4 times x minus 3. So this line is already in slope-intercept form. So the y-intercept is negative 3, and the slope is 3 over 4. So this means that our first point when graphing is 0, negative 3. That's the y-intercept. And then we can use the slope to navigate to a second point and a third point. And slope is rise over run. So this means go up 3 and to the right 4 from the previous point. So if I go up 3 and to the right 4, this would be my second point, and then I can use this navigation to get to a third point. So if I go up 3 and then to the right 4, this would be my third point. So connecting the dots, that is my line. Now we can also graph this on the calculator. So to do this, we need to press the y equals button, and that will take us to the y equals menu. And this is the menu where we can type in the equations for lines, for parabolas, really for any graph that we're trying to look at. So under y1, I want to type 3 over 4 times x minus 3. And to type the x, we want to press the variable key. So it says x, t, theta, and n. It's the key to the right of the green alpha key. So then I want to go to the zoom menu, and here I want to select 6, which is Z standard or zoom standard. And what this is going to do is give us a nice negative 10 to 10, negative 10 to 10 window. And this is what our line looks like. So you can see that it crosses the y-axis at negative 3, and it crosses the x-axis at 4. So that is consistent with our original graph.